guys, back to Powertune, and today there's a ridiculous car on the dyno. I didn't want you guys to miss out, so we're going to find out how much power it's freaking making. Here we go. Truth be told, I don't think you're all ready for this. It's going to restrict the exhaust. Oh my goodness. Back pressure that one. Look at this rocket ship. Kind of suits you, bro. Does? Yeah. Now, admittedly, I just filmed all this, but for some reason I wasn't freaking recording. I was pissed. Had Ryan here, had good banter, it was all good. Now I've got to redo it, but anyway. God. It's been that long, I've lost my touch with the camera, man. It's not good. 4-cylinder. What is this thing? Well, explain.
This one, we believe it's the tacho drive. So it runs off the camshaft and it drives the tacho inside the car.
And that goes to 11,000 RPM. So this is a S600, so we're assuming it's a 600cc engine.
Yeah.
What year model was it? Did you say?
60.
I said 60.
Oh, hang on, no.
60?
No.
Surely not. This looks way too flush for a 60.
I got too much sixes in my head. 600. I got no idea.
Check this out.
Anyway.
I showed you last time, I'll show you again.
Doesn't even sound like it's got a starter motor.
It starts faster than a car with stop start.
Yeah.
You know, you take your foot off the brake, in a modern car, it starts
It
faster.
does, eh? What happened, man? We're going backwards in technology.
There's just fuel sitting in that bike.
Alright. So, power. What did you say the power was going to make?
I said it's going to make 70 horsepower.
What did you say?
60.
And I said, what did I say? 50. 50.
Well, you're making another guess on behalf of
Oh,
Pivo.
you did.
Because Pivo is a Honda man, he would go more than all of us, so I'm going to say 80 for Pivo.
Yeah. Alright. Let's do a power run on
Look at the
this.
size of the exhaust
Premium
runners.
is going to make 80 horsepower.
Look at the size of the exhaust runners, they're no bigger than a finger.
Oh, jeez. This thing ain't going to make any more than 50. Surely. This is pretty sick. Not going to lie. Oh, it's got dual... Cheer. Cheer, it's got dual exhaust, mate. We're laughing.
I think you reckon they are those.
What? 1 1/4.
I reckon they're 1 inch.
Yeah. Oh, the tips is.
This is really sick. Let's get a take measure on that one.
You reckon that's an inch? Yeah, bro. Maybe 2.
No chance.
I can see you driving this down Brighton on the weekends.
It suits you, bro. Yeah, I'm ready. wanted to go to the moon.
Aussie sprayed it.
Okay. He reckons there's more in it. Holy shit!
His hair blowing in the wind.
Sorry in advance, Chair. He just wanted to win the competition. That's all he. Huh? Really? That sounded like. It sounded like it wanted to keep going. You wouldn't.
Hey bro, is this like the OG Red Dragon?
He wishes. Yeah.
So smooth, eh?
And he wants to. That's insane. That's tuned to a crisp, eh? Yeah. And he wants to put. What's he want to do with it?
Hey,
What are we doing to this car?
PDM.
Yeah. I'm not. Motec turbo.
Yeah, blind spot indicators. Soft close doors. Soft shot grab. Remote start. Daytime running lights. I think we just sort of get them on safety check.
Yep. I'm pretty sure there's something in the boot that we're putting in it.
Oh, you actually changed the carbies on the stick.
Yeah.
Slide draft.
Get some more. Yeah, get some more horse torques out of it.
What is it? It runs a. It's a multi. No, it's just
Yeah.
it is. It's like a multi-throw there.
Oh, is it still butterflies or is it like the old F1 style gate? What are they called?
No.
Oh, like a barrel valve or whatever they like a.
Oh, the whole screen goes up and down.
Yeah.
What's that called?
SU they call it, ain't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they call it. SU.
Oh.
SUCK.
ER? Can you pop the boot? Oh no, you gotta pop it yourself. No, it's locked. Oh, it's open. Ooh. And we'll be back. Part 2. That's a wrap.